cherubs! Lovely to see you again. It's been a little while. I'm so excited today. We've got lots and lots of ingredients because we're going to be making one of my favourites, chocolate brownies. Yes! But we've got a little bit of a Halloween surprise, so just wait to the end. It's going to be the best. Shall we get started? Right, what do we need first? We need one medium bowl actually, and the first thing we're going to put in it is 1 cup of melted butter. So I've got 250 grams here, so to make 1 full cup, you know what, I'm going to put most of that in and see how we go. Alright, so I've cut some butter. I'm going to get a microwave safe bowl and pop that in the microwave. Alright, so it looks like that after 30 seconds, so that's not too bad because it's not all the way melted as you can see, and it's very, very soft, so that's great. Okay, so we've got our melted butter. That was nearly the whole 250 mils. So we've melted it, drop it in. Alright, so we need 1 cup and 1/4 of your brown or light brown or raw sugar. So that's 1 cup in and 1/4 cup, which I have right here. Lovely. And now we need 1 cup of our white sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. As 1 and 2. Alright, get your best mixing spoon and give that a mix. Once that's all mixed in, you're going to get your 4 large eggs and crack those in. Oh, this is going to be cracking. Alright, grab your vanilla extract and you're going to need 1 tablespoon of that. Once that's in, grab your whisk. You're going to whisk for about a minute until there's no lumpy bits. It's going to give your arm a bit of a workout. Let's go. Alright, what we're going to do now is I'm going to get my big bowl. So this was already my medium bowl. It's my big bowl, and we're going to transfer actually all our nice mixture into our big bowl. We're going to mix in our dry ingredients soon. That's our flour, salt and cocoa. Okay, take your all-purpose flour and you're going to add in 1 cup to your mixture. Okay, add in 1 cup of cocoa.
Add a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt or just regular salt if you don't have it. Fold the mixture together until it's a nice smooth consistency.
What you want to do is grab your white chocolate, and I've got the melts, but you can get the other ones, the little ones. Anyway, these will work. So we just want to cut them up into little shards because these are going to look like little bits of bone sticking out of your brownie. It's getting very scary up in here. Like so. There we go. Our bone or our white chocolate goes in. Give that a mix. Fold it through. You don't want to fold it too much. You don't want to over mix it. So just mix it enough so it's kind of evenly through. Next is your frozen raspberries, or you can do it with strawberries as well. I hear that's quite yum. I love raspberries, so let's get some of those out. And what we're going to do is actually give those a bit of a chop as well, not too much. We just need them in small pieces. So if you get any big ones like this, we're going to chop him in maybe half and half again. Now this, you can imagine, nice red raspberry. It's going to look a little bit spooky because it might look a little bit like blood. Ooh. Pop your bloody raspberries in, and again fold it into your mixture, but not too much, just so it's evenly in there. This is looking spooky and delicious. Grab your baking trays and that leftover butter, which should still be quite soft. I get a bit of plastic, like Glad wrap or something, and we're going to scoop up some of that butter to then butter the bottom and the sides of our baking tray. And we're not going to be shy with the butter either, because we don't want our brownies to be sticking to the trays. All the way around. So there you go, you can see it's quite greasy. Take that mixture and pop it into our tray like so it's not super runny like I have done with other brownie mixtures. So this is interesting. Hopefully it's nice and budgy for us when it's done. Alright, I'm going to take this into our oven now. Oh, there's one in there already. Pop him in. Fantastic.
Whilst brownies were in the oven, I grabbed some cardboard and just drew a few ghosts. And of course the gravestones too. Cut those guys out. And then I grabbed a toothpick and simply stuck the toothpick with some sticky tape to the back of my ghost and my gravestones.
Alright, looks like that's time. Let's go check our brownies. Oh yeah, they look pretty good. Okay, it is time to make some chocolate icing, which is going to be like fake mud. So what you're going to need is your cocoa, your icing sugar and some butter. What we're going to do now is get our Oreos or a similar brown biscuit, and we're going to, if in the case of Oreo, actually going to open them up, scrape out the cream, and then we're going to crush up the biscuit so it looks a little bit like dirt. As you can see, I've got my biscuit lids in there. I'm going to grab a heavy like mug or cup, something to crush them with. I'm just going to get in there and give it a really good crush.
For this part you might need a grown-up's help, but what I'm doing is just cutting around the edges so it's easy to lift out of the tray. I thought I'd cut it down the centre so there was less chance of it breaking in half. Now it's time for the icing. Alright, don't be shy with the icing. We all know everybody loves it. And you don't have to be too careful either, because remember, it's sort of looking like dirt, so, you know, you can get a little bit messy. Once that's done, grab your Oreo biscuits and just place a nice layer of that on top.
Now we're going to just cut them into little gravestone-sized pieces.
Time to grab your gravestones and ghosts and place them just at the back of the gravestone, like so.
There you have it. That's our little gravestone brownie. Looking spooky delicious if you ask me. Let's give it a try. That is scary good. Yum.